If you are someone who is struggling with acne or with hyperpigmentation, Banish is your go-to skincare brand. They offer an array of different products that help to improve your skin in so many different types of ways. They help to fight against acne blemishes, and so much more. And they help to give you clear, beautiful skin. You guys, I absolutely love Banish for all the amazing items that they offer, and I'm going to share a few with you guys in today's video. So I absolutely love this all clear mint cleanser. It gives your skin such a minty, fresh feeling. It is great for all skin types. It foams up so beautifully and it gives this nice minty feeling, leaving you very refreshed. I absolutely love to use this at night before I go to bed because I feel as though it helps me to get a more peaceful rest in. Now, this facial cleanser does contain chamomile and ginger, which we all know is absolutely amazing for your skin, and you are going to love every bit of using this because I promise it is fantastic and so rejuvenating. And before we get into today's video, let me tell you all about something else that is amazing. Banish offers a dark spot corrector. Now, this corrector contains vitamin C serum, which we all know gives a beautiful healthy glow to the skin and also helps to fade dark spots. It is so beautiful and it penetrates the skin so amazingly. It also helps for your moisturizer and things like that to sink in so much better. You also get all the amazing benefits of your skin being protected from the sun. If you use this along with your sunscreen, the results that you get are going to be off of the chain, okay? And it's going to help to improve both your skin tone and texture. And last but not least, this amazing gem right here is called Vitamin C Cream. Now, it's extremely lightweight on the skin, which is amazing if you don't like something that is very heavy. Now, get this, it is also amazing for improving those dark spots, which I think has helped me to improve my dark spots tremendously over time. It helps to firm up the skin, it hydrates, and it also improves the evenness of your skin tone. I'd recommend that you all check out all these products down below, especially the vitamin C cream and the Banish oil, because these are going to be miracles for you. I don't know about where y'all live at, but where I live, this sun has been treacherous. So you need amazing products like this in your life in order to fight against hyperpigmentation. Use my code Mattie for $5 off any purchase of $50 or more. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this amazing opportunity to get beautiful, glowy skin like you've never had before. And I want to thank Banish so much for sponsoring this video. Let's get right into today's video. Today is all about fat burning and getting that waistline on fleek. Let me share with you all 3 of my best fat burning drinks that I've shared with you all here on my channel, and let me know down below if you've tried out any of them and which one is your favorite. Let's get started. So you guys, first and foremost, you're going to need a mug for this mixture, and this is an extremely simple mixture. You guys are just about to see how simple it is. Okay, I will be using 1 cup of water, and as you all can see, this cup has been through some things, okay, but I'm going to use it on today, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water in here and pour it into my mug. Now, after I'm done doing that, then I'm going to place my mug in the microwave. Now, I will be placing this in the microwave for about 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds. You guys, this is going to get your water nice and warm. And whenever I made this video previously, everyone was asking me, do you place this mixture in the microwave? Is it supposed to be warm? And my answer to that is yes, it most definitely is supposed to be warm. This is one of the ways that you receive the best results. Now, today I will be using lime. Now, I've used lemon previously in the past, and you can use either one. Now, if you have any type of citrus allergies, you can use vinegar in place of lemon or lime. But for those of you guys that are cool with using lemon and lime, today I'm breaking open the lime. Now, once I am finished slicing my lime or lemon open, I'm going to squeeze 1/2 of this into the mixture. Now, you guys, if you are using vinegar in place of lime or lemon, 1 tablespoon should be good for receiving results. Now my water is nice and warm, and I am now going to add in my organic honey. Now I will be adding in 2 tablespoons of organic honey. Now if you find yourselves interested in anything mentioned in this video, all of the ingredients used will be listed down below, as well as for the exact measurements. I'm going to mix this into my warm water, and that warm water is going to help it to dissolve nicely, you guys. And after you are finished adding in your 2 tablespoons of organic honey, then it is time to move on to the next step. Now it is time to squeeze in that lime. Now you guys, please do not inconvenience yourselves like I did. I had a lemon squeezer right in front of me, but I chose to squeeze my lime out with my hands. How about that, you guys? Don't be like me. Check out the description box and get your very own lemon or lime squeezer if you don't already own one. And all that I'm doing is squeezing out those good juices. Now if you guys would like, you could use both halves of your lime. I chose not to. It can make the drink have like an extra oomph to it. It can become quite sour if you add too much of this, but nonetheless it has a great taste to it. Okay, it is something that you would definitely become a fan of if you continue drinking this on the day-to-day basis. And also it is great for this season. It is great for keeping you nice and healthy, you all. So let me know how this works for you if you do decide to try it out, and let's discuss everything used in this mixture. Now, as you guys saw, I started this mixture off with some good old warm water. Now, if you all are not aware, warm water is great for getting off belly fat. A sufficient water intake helps in flushing out toxins from the body. It also gives a boost to the metabolism, which is one of the reasons why we tend to pick up extra weight, right? The metabolism slows down. Well, water will help to boost your metabolism. This is why drinking water is one of the greatest things that you can do for your body. And drinking a glass or 2 of warm water in the morning can help you in losing weight and body fat. And with all of these extra added ingredients, you definitely have even more benefits than what water had to offer in the first place. Water will also help in cleansing your system. So this is the most important ingredient in this mixture, but it is also one of the most beneficial ones. As you guys saw, I moved right along by adding in some organic honey. Now you guys probably don't even know all of the benefits that honey has for weight loss, but honey is absolutely amazing for keeping a few inches off of your waist. Honey acts as a fuel to make the liver produce glucose. This glucose helps keep the brain sugar levels high and forces it to release fat-burning hormones. To benefit from the honey diet, simply replace your sugar intake with honey throughout the day. Now, this is one of the ways that honey can be beneficial for weight loss. Honey is also beneficial for weight loss by being added to different teas and different drinks, such as the one that I shared with you guys here in this video. Honey is an absolutely amazing product to have. And last but certainly not least, lime. Now lime has a lot of the same benefits as lemon, so as you guys hear this, you can also take into account that lemon has a lot of the same things that I'm mentioning on today. But anywho, another benefit of lime is that it helps you manage your weight. Citric acids can boost the metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. Regular physical activity and portion control are also important to losing excess pounds and weight control. And that is all of the information that I had to share with you guys on today about this amazing drink that you can have on the day-to-day basis in order to keep those extra pounds off of your waist. Now, of course, as with any type of fruit, you of course want to start by rinsing it off. We don't know where these fruits have been. People have picked them up, put them back down, did all types of stuff with them probably. So of course you want to start by rinsing them off. And then we're going to start by slicing off the skin from the lemon and also from the orange. Now, if you guys are interested, my mom is the one who is helping with this juicing process. Y'all know that me and my mama are always working together, okay? So make sure that you all check out her channel down below in order to watch more of these amazing videos that she posts about improving your skin, your body, and just your overall appearance inside and outside. So as we know, fruits like oranges and also like lemons both contain citrus. Now, citrus juices are packed with vitamin C, a natural immune system booster. They also have antioxidants, which are helpful in preventing and combating cancer, heart disease, and degenerative diseases. By the way, if you find that you are interested in the juicer that we are using, it is going to be listed down below. I absolutely love the beautiful shade of red that it is, and honey, it is just absolutely fabulous. Now, we are also going to be adding in some pineapples, which I'm going to talk about those a little bit more in a second. But you guys, it is amazing to drink citrus juice. You reap amazing benefits, and one of the best ways to drink this shot is when you first wake up. On an empty stomach is the best way to have this. It is going to give you a boost of energy. Now, another thing that it can be beneficial for is it is an antioxidant. It can help to increase the metabolism to help you to burn more fat. So if you are someone who is interested in some of the benefits that I just mentioned, well, then you might want to try this out, because a fast metabolism, a slimmed down waist, and all of these amazing benefits such as it combating cancer, heart disease, and degenerative diseases is amazing. I definitely recommend that everybody tries this out. In fact, I encourage you guys to, because it is going to help you out so much on your life journey, okay? And being someone who is always typically in need of energy because I'm always on the go, this has been a lifesaver for me. So as you guys can see, we added some ice in the shot, and we will be using about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger powder as well. Now, just talking about a few of the benefits of ginger. Ginger is great for preventing nausea. It soothes the stomach and gives relief from inflammation. It can also help to fight against morning or motion sickness. Now, there are a few other benefits of ginger, like it helping to relieve a common cold and also a few other things, but these are some of the benefits that are different from what I just mentioned earlier. Now, it's also beneficial for your cardiovascular system, so it is absolutely amazing. And you guys, I absolutely love this. It actually tasted pretty good. If you are someone who loves oranges or just any type of citrusy fruits to begin with, you are going to actually like this, okay? It's quite tasty in my personal opinion, and I really did enjoy it. Now, next up, we have my absolute fave. This is what I like to call the morning fat burner. What I'm going to start by doing is slicing me a lemon in half, and all that I'm going to do is squeeze this lemon juice into my water. I will be adding 12 ounces of water to my measuring cup, and then I'm going to place this into my mug and place it in my microwave for about 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds in order to get it nice and warm. And yes, you all, you do want to only drink this while it's warm. That is the way for you to get the best results. Now, after my water is nice and warm, it is now time to add in all the extra ingredients. So I'm starting by adding in that lemon that we sliced up earlier. I'm just going to squeeze all those juices out into this warm water. Today, I'm going to be adding a few slices of ginger to my fat burning drink. Now, if you guys do not know, ginger has amazing benefits for the metabolism and also for burning belly fat. Who knew? This is literally a miracle. If you've never tried ginger before, make sure that you definitely do. And next, moving along, I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper. Now, cayenne pepper has amazing metabolism boosting properties. This is going to help to keep that metabolism nice and fast and also burn some extra inches off of that waist. So you guys, these are all the drinks that I wanted to share with you all in today's video. Please let me know if you all will be trying out any of these. And also, if you all are interested in Banish, make sure that you check that out down below as well. Don't forget to use my coupon code Mattie for $5 off any purchase of $50 or more. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Also, if you watched the video to this point, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below, I'm still here, so I can know who my loyal Glam fan members are. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye!